rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling, but the seagulls poke at my head. Not fun, I said seagulls. Stop it now. Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls were gonna come poke you in the coconut. And they did. And they did. Had me going like, oh. Nothing I could do but yell when these birds attack me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids start laughing. And then, got hit in the neck with a hex sack. Oh, where'd it come from? Now run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Run, 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 jump. Now stop, put me down. I like to groove and boogie. Oh yeah.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could outrun the birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater.
Stop it, please. Don't hit me. Please. Don't hit me. Come on, man, quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stank?
You put a fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time's right. Birds are by your face. Now run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Swing from the headline. I can be a backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift rocks with your special gift. Run, 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 jump. Now breathe. That's good. Like that. Like that. One day I was walking and I found this big log. But when I rolled the log over, underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder. When you're lying there screaming, come help me please, the seagulls poke your knees. Stop it now.